Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by fitting the garment and pinning the new neckline where you want it. This shows exactly how much to remove. Once pinned, measure the reduction on each side, usually between 0.5 and 2 inches, and mark center and shoulder balance to keep symmetry. Make small chalk marks along the pins and trace the new shape. While you work, make sure to have a seam ripper, sharp scissors, matching thread, and a 1/2-inch bias strip ready so you can finish raw edges cleanly. Next, you remove the old facing or trim excess fabric, working slowly so you don't damage the garment. If the facing is reusable, unpick it intact and use it as a template. Then place your new neckline line onto the facing or a new piece of fabric and cut it slightly larger for seam allowance. Once cut, stay stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the raw edge to prevent stretching. This is vital because square necklines easily warp. Finally, press the curve gently so the facing sits correctly. To complete the alteration, pin the facing to the neckline right sides together and sew with the agreed seam allowance, then understitch to the seam allowance so the facing stays hidden. Once turned, press the edge flat and top stitch subtly if you want extra stability. Clip corners and trim bulk, then press final seams. If you see gaping, shorten the shoulder seam or add a shallow 1/4 inch dart at the bust. This corrects tension and keeps the square neckline sitting flat and neat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.